Unlocking the phrase, calculate. Hello there, English learners. Today, we're diving into a common word you might have come across, calculate. By the end of this video, you'll know its meaning, its various uses, and some examples to help you use it like a pro. Calculate is a verb, and at its core, it means to determine something mathematically, like finding the result of an equation or estimating a value. For example, can you calculate the total cost of these items? I need to calculate how much paint we need for this room. Beyond math, calculate can be used more figuratively. It can mean 1. To carefully plan or strategize something. For instance, 2. He calculated his next move in the chess game. 3. They calculated their route to avoid traffic. 4. To judge or assess a situation or opportunity. Examples: 5. She calculated the risks before making a decision. 6. It's hard to calculate his intentions. There are some common phrases and collocations with calculate that you might hear. 1. Calculate the odds. This means to judge the likelihood or chance of a specific outcome. 2. Given the circumstances, can you calculate the odds of success? 3. Calculate a risk. This means to evaluate the potential dangers or disadvantages of a decision. 4. Before investing, it's important to calculate the risk involved. So, there you have it. Calculate isn't just a word for math whizzes. It's versatile, and you can use it in many situations. Remember, whether you're planning your next move in a game or judging the chance of rain tomorrow, you're calculating. We hope this video has been helpful. And now, you can calculate your way through English conversations with confidence.